What's up, guys? It's Fusion Garage. Today we're gonna do a custom duckbill on a homie Adrian's car. I don't know if you see it, that Passat. So we're gonna do this duckbill. We're gonna go ahead and do a detailed process on how to do this. Check mine's out, and that's what we're gonna do for his. Over here, just prepping. We took out that baby spoiler he had right here. Cleaning that off, cleaning off the old 3M, using that turtle wax label and sticker remover. Works as good as the Glue Gun. So prepping that, clean it up, make the template, and let's go. Okay, so if you watched our other videos, we do like to use paper, cardstock paper, to make templates to get that perfect lining to follow the body lines. So we're going to use this concept to follow the body lines on the trunk. So we're just going to tape this all around the trunk and then start drawing our template from there. So we're starting off the point right here. This is measured 6 inches. So we're going to stop the curve of the mounting area. It's going to be 6 inches long, and then we're going to curve, and then do a loop all around, curving it all the way to the other end. So this is how it looks with the paper and the masking tape on it. So you saw that we measured the 6 inches. We measured 20 inches right here. Did a straight line going up to get our angle. So we're actually gonna make it come out and then stop it around 3 inches, and then 3 inch all around until it reaches back to the line. So right now we're just measuring the 3 inch from the end of the trunk, lining that up until we reach that point.
There we go.
Do one more right here.
Right there.
Then we're just gonna draw our line
and connect
them all. That should be good. So we got the bottom base template done. We're gonna cut this out, cut all around. That'll be the bottom base mounting area. How we're gonna mount it is we're gonna put bolts to the trunk. Bolts right here to the trunk. We'll use some nice Passat JDM washers. So all we have to do is bring this to the table. We're gonna extend this one out. So this is gonna be the part that you bend. So after we extend this one out, probably like 5-6 inches, and then that's the one we're gonna fold up. Right now we're trying to measure how far to go out. Maybe roughly 5 inches.
Up here?
So we measured 5 inches right here, and then 5 inches straight up. And then we're gonna do 6 inches in the center area. Then we're gonna connect the dots. So we're just connecting the dots right here. We're using a ruler to make the bends. Same thing. Template is done. Time to cut it out. So we got the bottom base shape outer. This is our bend line. And this will be the actual duckbill part that we're gonna fold up. All right, material is done. This is ready, gun cut. We're gonna hit it with the sander, 3 different grits. Damn.
60.
Okay, first we're gonna hit it with the 60 grit. Then we got the 120, and then sanding down smooth with the 320. Let's get it. This one is officially sanded down. I got it cut out of the bottom base on the MDF board. We rounded out the edge right here. So this is gonna be our bend, how you call it, like template. So we're gonna put this together on top of right here and make it line it up, clamping down. We're gonna use a heat gun, and this is where the process takes long. So we're probably not gonna record this part, but we're gonna heat gun this whole thing, and then as soon as it gets hot enough, it'll start flexing. So you never want to force bend this. So we're going to try to bend this downwards. Well, as soon as it's hot enough, you'll just notice it bending by itself. So apply more heat on corner areas that need more bending, and then just naturally bend it. So we got it clamped down, prepped up. We're ready to bend. We got it clamped to material to the table. Clamp for the acrylic and the wood stay together. Same for the other side. Heat up this area from we're gonna see if we have the 2 heat guns. So we're gonna do it from the top and the bottom, heat, and then start flexing it downwards. So here's a close-up of the acrylic. We've been heating maybe about 10 minutes now. So as you can see, it's naturally bending. That's what you want. But you want to see, touch it, it's not completely all there. So just keep on heating. Keep on heating, just keep heating, just keep heating. Heating. Alright, it's almost done. You guys see the bend? Power! Look at that. We got the ghost wrap glove. We're getting it done. It's almost done. Ready to test it soon and bolt on. Stay tuned, guys. So we got the test fit going on. What you guys think? Pretty aggressive to match the diffuser. So in the process of making a template, the template is going to change at the bottom base. So we're just going to trim this edge and make it line up with the trunk. Same for this side. Trim that edge and line it up with the trunk. And then we're going to start bolting it on. Yo, it is done. Check it out. Just gotta tighten it. Look at that custom acrylic duckbill. We bolted it on. M6 bolt and nut, passenger and washer. Same thing for the other side. Goes on. Everything lines up to the edge of the trunk. But peep it. Got in time. Got it done just in time for Slammed Enough SoCal. Let's go. We'll be out there showing our whips, showing the product we make. We hope you guys see us there. Check out this custom work we do. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see us do some more custom work. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll release a lot more DIY videos for you guys. Stay tuned. We're out.